Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing in with your Microsoft account so notebooks sync. Once signed in, open OneNote for Windows 10 or the Microsoft 365 OneNote app. Choose the app that matches your Office license. Create a new notebook now or pick an existing one. Make sure the sync icon shows activity. This initial step ensures your notes are backed up and available across devices, so do it before adding pages or sections to avoid losing content. Once your notebook is open, create sections to group topics and add pages for each note. This keeps content findable. You can drag pages or sections to reorder. Right-click to rename for clarity. Use templates for consistent layouts and add tags to mark tasks, questions, or important items so you can search later. Insert audio recordings, images, and pen ink for richer notes. These elements sync and remain searchable, which saves time when you need to retrieve specific information quickly. To finish, make sure everything syncs. Go to File, Info, and force a sync if changes haven't uploaded. Use the search box to find keywords, tags, or even handwritten text. OneNote indexes pen strokes once sync completes. When you need to share, export pages or entire notebooks as PDF or a OneNote package, or copy text into other apps. If sync errors persist, sign out and back in, and verify OneDrive storage space to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.